Welcome. In a previous video, I took a look at this Amazon Echo Flex, and I'll put a link in the description of that video. In this video, I'm going to take a look at the energy usage of one of these. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these, I'll put links in the description of these, and if you use those links, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I plugged this in a couple hours ago, and this will actually calculate what it would cost to run in a year. So let's just run through what it is using now. It's 121.5 volts, and it's 0.03 amps. 1.8 watts. Looks like it's actually 1.6, 1.7. It's kind of jumping around. Maybe when I talk, it's using more. I don't know. Okay, so I'll go down. 4.1 VA, 60 hertz. Power factor is 0.43. So I'll go to menu here, and we have cost. I'll go up, and this has been running, I think, about 2 hours. So it says cost is $0 an hour, $0 a day, 1 cent a week, 6 cents a month, and 78 cents a year. And the rate I have programmed in here is 9 cents per kilowatt hour. So this costs under $1 a year to run. So if you have like 4 or 5 of these in your house, it's going to cost, $4 or $5 a year or so. So if I hit menu here, you can see the rate here is 0.009. And I think this also had the elapsed time is just under 2 hours. And this is how many kilowatt hours it's used so far, so none. So I'm measuring the standby usage. If you were playing music on this, then it might draw a little bit more power. But when you're looking at power draw on something, the thing people really want to know is this using a lot of power when it's just sitting there doing nothing? And it's not using a tremendous amount. Now, if you're using this to turn lights on and off, and you do that more often because you're using this device, you can certainly save electricity with this because you're turning, and lights may or may not take a lot of electricity depending on the size, but then if you get into things like fans, those can take quite a bit of electricity. I don't know if you could run space heaters off any of the outlets. You probably could, and that would definitely save a lot if you can turn them on and off with your voice. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.